For nearly 2 decades, the leading camera brands ceased investing in premium point-and-shoot film cameras. However, after 20 years, in a remote corner of the world, a small boutique film and camera shop evolved into a photo lab known as Film Never Die, took it upon themselves to do the impossible. Since 2011, Film Never Die has not only served the photography community but has also reinvested every cent earned, and more, into the industry, ensuring that innovation and progress continue to thrive. They have not only developed software but also hardware to establish a robust infrastructure supporting the growth and scalability of the photo lab industry. Today, at Film Never Die, we are proud to unveil our latest and most audacious innovation yet, Nana Camera. Nana is a metal, automatic 35mm film point and shoot camera featuring improved optics, a quality film camera accessible to all. But we can't do this alone. We need your support to turn this audacious innovation into reality. We require at least another $50,000 to perfect the lens elements and bring Nana Camera to the world. Join us in this endeavor by pledging for a camera and spreading the word. With your support, Film Never Die will continue to pioneer true innovation in the film industry. Thank you.